If you're creating an investment strategy designed to help you achieve your long-term financial goals, it is crucial to understand the relationship between Bitcoin's market cap and its potential return and risk. Don't know what a market cap is? No worries. In this video, you will understand what is behind this indicator and why it is so important for the consolidation of cryptocurrencies worldwide. But first, let me introduce myself. This is Sharon from the Vector Education team. How are you doing today? Through the exclusive network data tool, you will have access to several blockchain metrics. To access the market cap indicator in Vector Mobile, simply click on the menu, then choose the network data option. In the lower right corner, click on the current indicator. A list will appear, and in it, we will look for the market cap option. Then click OK. Now, let's uncheck the box on the left so that we only have the view of this indicator. The market cap is calculated by multiplying the last trading price of the Bitcoin dollar pair by the total number of Bitcoins mined so far. Bitcoin's market cap currently stands at $763 billion. In the traditional market, the market cap is the value of a company based on the total value of all its shares. An interesting fact is that if Bitcoin were a company, it would be ranked among the top 10 in the world of market capitalization. Let's analyze Bitcoin's market cap figures in comparison to USD price. We will select the left box in the bottom corner and look for the metric price USD in our list of indicators. Since the market cap depends on the current value, it is quite clear the relationship between the price of Bitcoin and the increase in market capitalization. In other words, when the price increases, the market cap also increases. On Vector, it is possible to follow the market cap of cryptocurrencies in real time. Just go to the menu and choose the watch list option. The second column will show market cap data. Well, the market capitalization tool provides refined data, such as market value, supply of tokens in circulation, change over the last 24 hours, and the market share of crypto assets, for example. This is an important metric to determine the comparative value between tokens, so we can find opportunities in the market. Several stock exchanges, such as NYSE and CME, for example, disclose the market capitalization data of listed assets. And in Vector, you have all this information in just 2 taps on the screen. So guys, in this video, you have learned about the market cap metric and its importance in trading. If you like this content, make sure to like, comment, and share. See you on our next video.